You're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I have a very interesting tool. It is a tool that will help you transform your text into speech. It is called Luvvoice. It's a free online text-to-speech tool that turns any text into natural sounding speech. Whether you're a YouTuber, a podcaster, student, or storyteller, this tool is perfect for you. No software download, wide range of realistic AI voices, free MP3 downloads, and it is quick and easy to use. Watch now to see how you can create voiceovers in seconds. Okay, the first thing we are going to do now to get into Luvvoice is luvvoice.com. Luvvoice.com. There are several plans. Okay, we have the free plan, which is 20,000 characters per month. So you have a lot of opportunity to use any kind of text that you want to use to transform it into speech. It's going to help in your storytelling, even in your YouTube story avatar or whatsoever you want to use the voiceover for. It has 200 plus voices in 70 plus languages. It is adjustable speech rate and pitch, MP3 format download, files stored for 72 hours. You can see how easy it could be. Let's go to the dashboard where we can transform our text into speech. It has a text to speech. Look at the left hand side, we have file to speech. We also have voice cloning. Today we are focused on text to speech. We can see where can we get our text. You can see here we have 20,000 characters to make use of. I suggest now we go to ChatGPT and we create a motivational statement of less than 30 seconds because it can only download MP3 that is less than I think it can download for more than 1 minute. So let's go. Create a motivational text that inspire people to succeed in life and never to give up. Enter. Okay, we are there. Okay, never give up. Your time is coming. Okay, you can see now. We can see. Okay, this is it. In case you have your own text, then that's what you can do. All you need to do is to copy your text and go to Luvvoice and paste it here, text to speech. You can see now. Okay. Then you come down. Okay. The text to speech. Okay, you can come down here. You can click on generate. You have selected voices. You can choose a male voice. You can choose any other voice. Then generate speech. You click on generate. You can see it here. Okay. It has
Never give up. Your time is coming. Fire life won't always go as planned.
Okay.
There will be moments when the road feels too long, the mountain too steep, and the dream too far.
You can hear that.
But hear this, success doesn't belong to the smartest or the strongest, it belongs to those who refuse to give up. Every champion was once a beginner who dared to try. Every success story started with someone who said, I won't quit. You will be tested.
I don't want to waste too much of your time. You can see that it's giving you 20,000 characters free of charge. On a monthly basis, which is enough for your content creation. You can choose you can select language here. You can also select voice. You can see how free it is. So I wanted to leverage on this in creating your voiceover for whatsoever content that you want to create, that we can also download. By my right hand side here, you can click on download. The voiceover is more than 1 minute. Then you click on it. Okay. To confirm how free it is.
Never give up.
Okay,
Your time is coming. Fire life won't always go as planned. There will be moments when the road feels too long, the mountain too steep, and the dream too far.
I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial.
Success doesn't
Thank you
belong
very
to
much.
the smartest or the
God bless
strongest.
you.
It belongs